Welcome to Catchy Cartoons. Catchy Cartoons is a channel where I show you how to draw cute animals, sneaky boys and cool girls, silly muscle men, pretty ladies, all in a variety of different styles. This is a channel for the young to have fun drawing, for the old to rekindle their joy of art, new challenges for the hobbyist, for the beginner to discover their hidden talents, new styles to learn for the art student, for the young professional to hone their drawing skills, and for the seasoned vet to judge. We'll be drawing mythical creatures, scary monsters like this thirsty vampire, and fictional characters. We'll be doing caricatures of athletes, if you consider a golfer an athlete, YouTube stars, and others. You can follow along using digital methods, or you can get your pencils and crayons out and work traditionally. Or you can use any method you like, or maybe not. The drawing process will start with simple forms and shapes, then we'll tie down the drawing, clean it up, add some color, and before you know it, you've drawn an otter. We'll be drawing the family pets, a series of dog breeds, and later on we'll even start posing our characters. We'll also be doing animals of the alphabet. Grumpy people, outdoorsmen, indoorsmen, and much more. Catchy Cartoons, a place to create. If you like Catchy Cartoons, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Hit the bell button to be notified of the next Catchy Cartoon video. Please share this video, and feel free to leave a comment, maybe what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.